Good morning, children. I hope all are safe at home and keeping yourself healthy and hygiene in this period. Prayer purify our mind and soul. So let's start a day with a positive attitude and always smile to the world. So join your hands, close your eyes. Dear God, this school is our family. Help us to come together, to share together, to learn together, and to reach out to everyone with family love. Thank you, dear God. Prayer song can be all of the above and much more to meet with God. Children, I want you to repeat the prayer song after me. Children, now let's sing with the music. Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true. Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true. Sing peace around the world. 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 Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true. Good morning, children. It's time to play a game Simon Says. I expect all to play, but I'll just explain how to play. I'm just going to give you some things to do, but you should only do when Simon says so. So, if I say, for example, Simon says clap your hands, you should clap. But if I just say clap your hands, you shouldn't. Or if you do, you'll be out. Okay, let's go with the game. Simon says clap your hands. Simon says touch your nose. Simon says scratch your head. Wiggle your hips. Was anybody wiggling? Because I never said that Simon said wiggle your hips. Well, that's just what was a practice. Let's have another go. Simon says wave your arms in the air. Simon says touch your toes. Simon says sit down. Stand up. Oh dear, did anybody stand up? Well, if you did, you're out. Sorry. Well, whoever is still in this has won the game. We had a great fun in our assembly, children, isn't it? So, today's morning assembly ends here. Thank you everyone for listening and having fun. Thank you. Have a nice day.